Hi there, I'm Dr. Grant Pagdin. I wanted to have a chance to introduce to you my colleague, Dr. Tina Garrison. Now, Dr. Garrison came on board the team here at Pagdin Health a few months ago, specifically to help us out in the area of bioidentical hormone replacement. So I'm going to give Dr. Garrison a chance to tell us a little bit about herself.
Hi there. My name is Dr. Tina Garrison and I'm a naturopathic physician. My philosophy on aging is I believe it's a deficiency disease, and as a naturopathic physician, I strongly believe in preventative health care. There's a saying that really resonates with me. It says we age because our hormones decline. Our hormones do not decline because we age.
Okay, so we age because our hormones are declining. Our hormones don't decline because we're aging.
Exactly.
Okay.
So when we jump in with some bioidentical hormone replacement, lifestyle changes, and nutritional changes, we can age optimally, maintain our vitality, and prevent disease.
Wow, that sounds good.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we mean by bioidentical hormones? What's that?
Bioidentical hormones are hormones that are identical to the ones we make in our body.
Okay, so you mean not a mimic from the pharmaceutical company?
Exactly.
Okay, well, if you'd like to learn more about aging optimally and replacing your hormones to more youthful levels, be sure to give Pagdin Health a call today.